Good morning everybody. My today's lecture is on true, false, not given. Very important type of questions in your IELTS exam, whether it is general IELTS or academic IELTS. Actually, what are true, false, not given? True, false, not given means if the information given in the question matches to the information given in the passage, then the question is true. If it is opposite, then false. And if something is missing, means in general sense I am saying you, then it is not given. Now, what are the tips for true, false, not given? See, before going to my laptop screen, I would like to share with you some tips. Means, first of all, see, what do many students do? They just read the passage, then start doing questions. It is quite time consuming. So, what I suggest you, there is no need to read the passage. Yeah, of course, there is no need to read the passage. Just start. As I said you in my one video lecture, IELTS reading tips. I have given you some tips also. Just go through that lecture, please. So, my first tip specifically for true, false, not given is read 2 or 3 questions. Yes, you need to read 2 or 3 questions, not 1 question. Why? Because suppose if the second question is, the first question is not given and the second question is either true or false. So, see what happened? Means when you read first question and second question together, right? You might go to, means luckily, you might find out the keyword of the second question and not the first question. Now, our target is to save our time also and give the correct answer also. So, just whatever you find out about the second question, write it down. First question, you have not found it yet. So, instead of wasting your time to read the whole passage to find out the keywords of first question, you just write down not given on the first question. Why? See, it will give you a kind of thought, yeah, my 2 questions are over, because maximum answers are in sequence, right? So, when you get that kind of thought that yeah, my 2 questions are over, so obviously the third question you will find very easy, right? So, after completing all the questions, if you have given, means if you have gotten that 5 questions or 6 questions or 8 questions in your exam for true, false, not given or yes, no, not given, after completing all the questions, then you can go back to your first question or whatever the question you have doubt. Then you can correct it. If you are 100% sure, yeah, first question, yeah, wait, it can be wrong, right? Then go to find out the first question answer again, means for what you have written, not given. So, that's why read 2 or 3 questions and mark the keywords. See, what are keywords? I said you in my listening lectures also, right? Like, means noun, anybody's name, thing, person or place name, because noun is 100% present in the passage. So, to find out the location, see, what's my main target is to find the location. So, noun is 100%, so that's why whenever you find out noun, anything's name, any person's name or location's name, just mark it and circle or underline it. Negative words. Negative words means less, low, fine. So, these kinds of means words starts from UN, also unusual. These all are negative words. Means these kinds of words are negative words. So, mark negative words like each, every, any, all, some, and the words end with buddy, like somebody, anybody. Then one, words end with one also, everyone, someone, and prepositions like in, into, on, before, after. I said you in my listening lecture also. And articles, and the. Because in question, if the person is talking about singular, like oh, and in passage the person is talking about plural, then obviously you can get the location and the answer easily. Similarly, see the tense also. If the question is in present tense and the passage information is given in past tense, then the answer is false, or it can be not given also. For that we need to check the full question. Then later on at the end, find out the location after marking the keywords. Location in the passage. See, till you find out the location, there is no need to translate. There is no need to go the whole sentence or the full sentence. Just find out the location of the words, whatever the keywords you have marked, and after finding the location, now mark the keywords in the passage also, and now translate. Just go to translate, go to understand around the location, means little more and little below. Fine, I'll teach you practically, and now after translating, you will get your answer. I'll teach you practically. Let's go to our laptop screen. Fine? Okay, let's start. Today's lecture is about true, false, not given. True, false, not given means what? Means the information is matching, information given in the questions is matching to the information given in the passage or not. If there is slight match between the information given in the question and information given in the passage, then it is true. If the information in the question is not matching to the information given in the passage, then it is false. If there is missing information in the question, then it is not given. Okay, I am going to give you some practical example. Say, first of all, the question type is true, false, not given. Okay, there are two computers. First of all, I am marking two computers. As I said, you keywords. For what are keywords? Just go to my listening video. Actually, in listening and reading, the keywords remain same. There are two computers and two printers. So I'm marking two computers and two printers. You can encircle it, you can underline it. Available for public use at the library. So means at the library you can use two computers and two printers. As I said to you before, I'll read two questions. Now for saving my time, the second question is you can buy, means you can purchase. You can buy means you can purchase floppy disk. Floppy disk is a proper noun, so 100% it would be in the passage. That's why I'm marking keywords just to save my time. At the information disk means at the information disk you can go and buy the floppy disk. Now the passage is saying what? Fatafat, say very soon. See, two personal computers. Yeah, of course, the information is there. Two personal computers are there. So I'm marking it. Are available for the fee of this one $5. Okay. There is also an inkjet printer. So the printer is one only, inkjet printer. For the time being, I'm getting inkjet printer and two computers attached to the internet. The library has number of commercially available Okay. Now Hitesh, can you say me, question is saying two computers and two printers you can use. And the passage is saying two computers and one printer. Now say me, it is true, false or not given? Please say me, Hitesh.
False, ma'am.
Okay, why it is false, beta? Why it is false? Can you say me the reason, please?
Yes, क्योंकि वो
Why?
तो प्रिंटर की बात नहीं, वो एक ही प्रिंटर है, inkjet वाला.
The person is saying only one printer. That's why the answer is false. Okay, next question. Jay, are you present? Jay, can you listen me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Jay. The second question is, you can buy floppy disk and information disk at information disk. Now, beta, Floppy disk. Now we need to find out the word floppy disk. Read the third question also, just to save my time. The information disk is closed. Information disk is closed. On means at, sorry, information disk is closed at weekends. Jay, can you hear me? Yeah, beta, please read the passage. The library has number of and find out the floppy disk. Fast.
मैम वो A4 वाला A4 पेपर can be
yeah,
bought
find
from
out
the
the floppy
desk
disk.
if you wish.
Yeah, very good. Very fast, yeah, please. If you wish to print
Is
your...
to print your work. Alternatively, you can bring your own paper if you wish to store information. However, you will need to bring your own floppy disk.
Okay. So means you need to bring your own floppy disk. You have to bring your own floppy disk. Means you cannot buy, right? You cannot buy floppy disk.
Yes.
Then the question is saying you have to, you can buy. Now tell me, answer is what? True, false or not given? Come on, Jay. There the passage is saying you need to bring your floppy disk. And the question is saying you need to buy. You can buy. Now tell me, answer is what? True, false or not given? Instead of buy, the passage is giving you bring. Floppy disk is given. Information disk is given. So not given is not possible. So, but instead of buy, the passage is saying you bring. Now tell me, answer is true, false or not given? Jay, what's the answer, beta? Jay, what's the answer, beta?
Yeah. Ma'am, true.
Why it is true, beta? How can it be true? The question is saying buy floppy disk and the passage is saying bring floppy disk. Bring means लाना. आप अपनी floppy disk लाना. And
no,
buy
false,
means
false आएगा.
Yeah, beta. Answer is false. Right? Be very careful. Okay. Now, Hirva or Masoom, can you hear me? Hirva or Masoom?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, beta. Hirva, the third question and 16 number question. The information desk is closed at weekends. And the 17th question also we need to underline first of all. It is essential. Hirva, shall I mark essential? Right? To reserve a computer. Means you have to reserve a computer 3 days. You have to reserve a computer 3 days in advance. Reserve a computer, underline 3 days in advance. If you want to use one, if you want to use computer, you need to reserve it 3 days before. Now, Hirva, either what you need to find out, you need in the passage, first of all, find out the location, Hirva. Find out information desk, find out the work weekend. Weekend means Saturday, Sunday. On weekends, it will be closed or not, and or find out the word reservation of computer. Okay, booking. Hirva, after floppy disk, the answers are in sequence. Okay, Hirva, read it please. Fast, beta.
Because of high demand, a maximum of 1 hour's use per person per day is a bookings may be made up to 3 days in advance. Booking may be made in...
Okay. Now finish. See, Hirva, when we get the keywords, immediately just stop reading. Right? Not immediately, I'm sorry. When we get our keywords, just read one sentence in advance. Means one sentence more. Like bookings are made up to 3 days in advance. See, 3 days in advance. You can book your computers 3 days advance. Right? Now see, beta, means on weekends it will be closed or not. Information is not given. Right? Means on weekend that information desk will be closed or opened. Means weekend word have you found? Have you found Saturday, Sunday or weekend word? Hirva? Have you gotten, Hitesh,
Yes,
Jay, have you found the word weekend or Saturday, Sunday? Have you found the word closed or open?
No, ma'am.
No, na?
No,
So
ma'am.
answer is not given. Right? So answer is not given. But we found the word booking in advance. And 3 days also we found. We got the word booking in advance and 3 days also. But it is essential. See, I marked the word essential also. Because of the high demand, the maximum of the 1 hour, maximum of 1 hour use person per day is permitted. Bookings may be. It is maybe. See, mark the keywords properly. May be made 3 days in advance. Means you can make the bookings 3 days in advance, but it's up to your wish. Maybe means, okay, it's your wish. If you want to make your booking 3 days advance, you can. But in the question, it is written essential. Means zaruri hai advance bookings. So what is the answer, Hitesh? Hirva, Jay, what's the
False,
answer?
ma'am.
False.
False.
Because it's not essential. Right? Up to you. Now, Jay, please make me to mark the keywords in question number 18. If you are more than a quarter of an hour late, what shall I mark, Jay? More than.
Quarter of
Yeah,
more
more
than
than quarter
quarter of
of
an
an
hour.
hour late. Fully you need to mark because it's a number.
Yeah.
You could lose. Okay, marking what? Loss. Okay, you could
Loss.
lose your reservation for the computer. Means if you are late by, means if you are late more than a quarter of an hour, more than a quarter of an hour, then you will lose your reservation. Okay, means 19 question also I'll read. Now do you know that why do I read two questions? Because see, 17 question I read, 18 question I read, but 18 I got, but 17 I didn't. So immediately I wrote not given, right? So find out quarter of an hour. Library employees do not. So write, means mark the word employees and mark the word do not. Means not. They do not have detailed knowledge. So mark the word detailed knowledge of computers. Means library employees do not have the detailed knowledge. Now for location, try to find out lost your, means negative question, lost more than a quarter late. Okay, Hitesh, you read it please. Bookings maybe. Find out the location of the word
Bookings may be made in,
quarter. Okay, fast. Bookings
bookings
may be
may be
made.
made in person at the information desk
Go
by
very fast. Go
running
very fast, please.
86738901 during normal office hour. If for some reason you cannot keep your appointment, please telephone. If the library
Okay.
is not
Okay.
notified and you are 15 minutes late, your time can be given to some else.
Now late word. See location. Hitesh, as I said to you, when you find out the location, immediately mark it in the passage also and in the question also. If the library is not notified and you are 15 minutes late, see quarter of an hour means 15 minutes. More than quarter of an hour means more than 15 minutes. Right? Information in the question is what? You lost your reservation if you are late. And passage also, you lost your reservation if you are late. So information is matching. So information is matching means the answer is Hitesh. Hitesh, the answer is true. Right? True. Because information is same. Are you getting me? Are you getting me, Hitesh?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. 19 question. Jay, if you can hear me, 19 question you will do. But before doing 19 question, we'll read the 20 question. The library runs courses. means what types of courses the library runs. Runs courses for people who want to learn about computer. So you can underline only runs courses for the people who want to learn computer. Okay, Jay, can you hear me? Jay, can you hear me properly, beta? Okay, 19 question you will do. Library employees do not have detailed knowledge. Means libraries employees do not have detailed knowledge of computer. Okay, next, please. Start from please, Jay, because answers are mostly in sequence.
Please sign the visitor's book at the information desk when you first arrive to use the computer.
Okay, next.
Please note that staff are not available to train people or give a lot of detailed instruction of how to use the programs. Prior knowledge is therefore necessary. However, tutorial group are available for some of the programs and classes are offered on a regular basis. Please see the launch desk for more information about our
computer courses. Now see better. Employees means staff. Staff is not having the detailed knowledge of computer. Is it written anywhere? Is it written anywhere?
No, ma'am.
He says staff is not available to train people. But staff is not having the knowledge. It's not written anywhere. Right? So what would be the answer? What would be the answer? Not given. Very good. And last one. Library is running the computer courses for people. Now is it written? Yeah, at the last line, see, about our computer courses. The classes are going on. So computer courses are available, right, for people to learn. So answer is true. Now, in this manner, we have finished our true, false, not given. But now, if you have doubt in any question, whether you have given answer correct or not, just check it. See, first answer was done by Hitesh. At that time, Hitesh said me, yeah, answer is false. I said, okay, write down the false answer. No problem. But I had doubt. I had doubt in that question. Why I had doubt? See, Hitesh, now I have time at the end of my paper. I will solve that doubt. See, there are 2 computers and 2 printers available for public to use at the library. See, Hitesh, in the passage it is written 2 personal computers and an inkjet printer for public use. Now tell me, Hitesh, information is matching or not? Hitesh, information is matching or not? Beta, information is matching, then how can it be false? 2 printers, that's okay. 2 printers, that's okay. But information is given, na? Computer and printers both are available in the library. Information is saying what? In the question, the information is computers and printers are available in the library. Right? And passage also. Whether 1 printer, but printer is there in the library.
Yes.
Then see, beta, yes, no, not given means, right, that the writer agrees or not. If these types of questions would have been yes, no, not given, then the answer would have been no. But it is true, false, not given. True, false, not given means only see the information is matching or not. Understand? So information is matching, that's why the answer is true. Understand? So guys, in this manner, we have finished our true, false, not given. If you have any doubt, you can WhatsApp me or you can mail me also. So now Hitesh, Masoom, Jai and Hirva, tell me openly, 100% honestly. Fine. First of all, Hitesh. Hitesh, do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Surely?
Yes,
Surely, beta? Yes, Masoom.
Yes.
Do you understand or not? Say me honestly, beta. Do you understand or not? Masoom, I can't hear you, beta.
Yes, ma'am.
You understand? Surely?
Yes.
Okay, Hirva, do you understand properly
Yes,
or
ma'am.
not? Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay. Yeah, Jai, have you
Yes, ma'am.
understood properly 100%?
Ma'am.
Okay, beta. Now I'm just closing this lecture. I'm just quitting this lecture. If you have any doubt, just say me. I'm here to just assist you. Now you are having a homework, right? Do true, false, not given. I'm going to give you the material. I'll just mail you the material, right? Do true, false, not given, and yes, no, not given also. And just send me the homework. I'll check it and solve your issues. Okay, bye bye. Take care.
Okay, bye.
Bye. Take care.